Hello, kids. Today is, oh my goodness, I can't remember what today is. It's Wednesday, September 2nd. And here is a quick rundown of what we did for 6th grade language arts. We filled out collaboration questions together, did a fluency assignment, we reviewed our vocab, and I did a mini lesson on media techniques. This is an assignment too, which I will show you. The first thing that we did was, after you have watched The Queen of Chess, you did that yesterday. If you go up to the Contents button, you can click on Collaborative Discussion and it takes you to the end of the story. And if you click Contents, that bar will go away. And there were 3 questions that we collaborated today to get our answers for, so you need to fill those out. If you need help, you can pause this video and submit those answers. You need to make sure you turn it in by going back to the HMH page. You have an assignments button over here. Click assignments and then go to the chess assignment and click I'm done, I believe is how you do that one. The next task for us today was to do a fluency practice. I'm going to upload this document to my Google Classroom so you'll have it. And basically, we can't get this to get out of the way. Basically, we practiced reading fluently, and we used Fluency 1.6 was our document. So you'll skip the first page. This is a PDF file. It has a whole bunch of fluency assignments in it. We are only doing page 1.6. And we had some fun reading like Mater off of that Cars cartoon movie. We read like a old British lady. Today I am just going to read the page to you, and then you can practice replaying and reading it out loud with me. Your goal is to try to keep your eyes on the text and match my rate and try to match my tone as I go through the reading. This is called chess. The game of chess has a long and complex history. Although the true origins of the game are unknown, historians believe that chess was invented in northern India in the 6th century. The game spread across Europe and Asia over the next 300 years, reaching every area of the known world by 1000 AD. So why is chess still popular today? One reason is that while most games rely on players drawing the right cards or rolling a lucky number on the dice, chess relies on the player's ability to strategize and predict what their opponents will do. Players must be able to focus and concentrate for long periods of time, but also be creative and cautious in how they react to their opponent's moves. Secondly, although chess is an easy game to learn, it can take a long time to become a master at it. Each type of chess piece moves differently across the board. In addition, each type of piece is more or less powerful than the other pieces. Players must understand how these pieces move and how best to use them in order to win the game. It also means that every game of chess is different. Lastly, chess can be played by everyone. The game does not require any expensive gear or equipment. All you need in order to play chess are a board, pieces, and an opponent. So, who's up for a game? And so you can practice rereading that with me. And the next thing I did was assign vocabulary. Today you were supposed to turn in page 13 of syllable division pattern. It looks like, oh, that's 5th grade. There you go, 6th grade. You have a packet that you started with literary elements, and we did theme, and then yesterday I assigned VCV, syllable division pattern. That's due today. And then the last thing, we practiced reviewing our 3 vocab words: represent, slums, and principles. With the in-class activity, you can practice how you want. And then you need to do page 14. Answer questions 1, 2, and 3. And the last thing I did was teach a mini lesson on media techniques. And basically, we didn't go back in and rewatch the video. We just talked about what we noticed in the video that have to do with these. Media techniques. Authors use media to inform, entertain, and persuade viewers. Media techniques are the ways a topic, idea, or other information is presented. One technique they use are sound elements like music, sound effects, or narration. A second technique they use is to include experts, who are people who are knowledgeable about a topic, discussing their thoughts and ideas. Another technique they use in media, which is like a video or a slideshow maybe would be counted as media, is live action scenes of events with characters, people, or objects that can be real or imagined. And then there are 2 more techniques. One is animation, which are illustrated characters or objects in motion, and visual elements, brightly colored graphics and text that catch the viewer's attention. We decided that we definitely had narration, we had an expert, they did show live action clips, there was no animation, and there was some disputation on the visual elements. Some people thought there was one, and some people thought it didn't count. So that is it for today. Make sure that you're reading 20 minutes a day and that you're studying your vocab list. Have a good day.